An aluminum, bridge-height frame provides the main structure with 4 cast members, and the engine is a stressed unit to complete the assembly in typical naked bike fashion. The frame is looking trim after a summer at Fat Camp, and that shows up in the rear of the frame with a 4-pound weight loss for this year with a decidedly beefy, yoke-style swingarm to finish the standing structure. A set of 46mm US stems float the front end with the coil-over monoshock to support the rear, both with 4.7 inches of travel and ride quality tweaks to include compression and rebound damping adjustments. Steering head geometry holds the forks at a nimble 24.8 degrees with 3.9 inches of trail and a 56.7-inch wheelbase, numbers that indicate a very definite eagerness in the corners with potential for lightning-fast reversals. The 2018 S1000R rolls for $13,995. Naturally, Beamer presents plenty of opportunity to boost that figure with optional race-tastic fandanglery like cornering traction control, pit lane speed limiter and launch control, plus crunchier bits like heated grips and super light forged wheels.